breathe again.
You live! You live!
What happened to me? I feel like I haven't used my body in so long.
That is because you have not. You've been in suspended animation. Like a coma.
What are you talking about, you fool? Explain yourself at once. We're prepared to be destroyed.
You were too weak to make threats. Instead, you would be smart to listen.
I don't remember much. All I remember is the Hulk.
Yes. I am after the power that the Hulk has. I must have the power of the Hulk. From my research, I learned that you fought the Hulk. Somehow mutated and turned into a similar creature.
Yes, I remember changing.
The power did change. That's why when the Hulk thought you were dead, you were in suspended animation. When I blasted you with these negative rays, it returned your strength.
The Hulk is responsible for joining us. But who are you?
I'm called a gargoyle. Ever since you've been in a coma, the Hulk has been sighted all over the country. Reports of his incredible power have come back to me. I must have it. You are the only one who has been closest to defeating the Hulk. That's why, if we teamed up, we could steal the Hulk's strength and use it to defeat him.
Overlord is a leader, not a follower. I work alone. And how do I know I can trust you?
Because, fool, without me, you will die.
Die? I don't believe
Your body is still in a stage of death. Without another blast from these negative rays, you will return back to your coma. And the only difference the mighty Overlord has no choice. Unless you want to return to death, you will stand by my side.
Fine. I will work for you. For now. But be warned. For no one crosses the Overlord.
Our first plan is to find the Hulk.
That won't be hard. I know what the Hulk loves most. We will use her to capture him.
Fine. You get rested. And when you're cleaned up, we prepare to strike.
Of course, I know the true identity of the Hulk. But I shall keep some secrets to myself.